Alright, I'm just gonna stop this. Alright, anyways, let's get started. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little, what the hell is this? Oh, cool. What the hell is this? That's interesting. Anyways, so you know this. This is Canvas, 4.0 with Canvas, and this doesn't actually do anything. It just, you can't run it. You can just like modify it a little bit here. So we're gonna make it so that you can actually modify this. So let's go ahead and get started with that. First step is to add a little run button here, and then second step is connected to a local service running on your machine that will actually run the code and then give it back to the window. So let's do this for Chrome. Let's see, ChatGPT.com. Here we go. I mean, I think they've already done this. Like if you do something like I don't know, give me Python code to generate some primes, and it just types out like this little box here. I think there's already extension to run this, but oh, what the hell? Wait. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I think there's already an extension to run this, but I want to do the Canvas, which I don't think is currently available. Let me just sign in real quick. And oh my God, what is it? I have no idea what it is. Okay, so here we are. Let's go ahead and get started. So give me Python code to print out 50 primes in Canvas. Oops, spelled that wrong, but there we go. So here we go. We have this, but it's utterly useless. You can't actually do anything with it. You can't run it, at least. You can code review it, but I don't know what that does. So, all right, so here's what we're gonna do. I think I already have most of the code written to actually add the little plus sign. Actually, wait, where's the, why is there no, there it is, undo. Okay, so what we're gonna start with, let me airdrop it to myself. I think I have it on my phone, actually. Let's see. Here we go. So this one's pretty simple. All it does is check for like this box right here, and then if it's available, it'll add a little run button, but it doesn't do anything just yet because the server I haven't set up yet. So let's see here. All right, so we copy that, or actually we share it. Oh God. Sure. Airdrop. Here we go. So now we have that folder or file. Okay, so it looks like this, pretty simple. I'll explain in a second. Let me open up the code and set up GitHub and everything. So we're gonna do, actually no, let's get the folder going first. CD dev, CD, let's call it Canvas exec, CD Canvas exec. Set up GitHub as always. Get in it. Let me copy that folder in. So move /downloads/ I'm not gonna hit tab. What was it called? Was it just called text? Oh God, which one was it? 4 something. We'll just move that to content.js. So this is going to be the content.js of the Chrome extension. So we'll just do this: git add dot, git commit first. Let's see, added content.js. Okay. So let's go ahead and make a new one. I'll call it same thing, Canvas exec. Cool, it's available. Create repo. I need to use my own custom. I have a weird setup. See if I can remember how to do this. CD. Git remote get URL origin, I believe. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we need this. Git remote add origin, boom, slash canvas exec.git. Okay, and then we do git branch main and git push origin main. Looks good. Okay, now we can copy this, or we can open this in VS Code. All right, file, open folder. Where is it? Canvas exec. All right, so here we go. We just have this one file. Let me actually bundle it up into a Chrome extension, and then we'll do the rest of the things. Get a terminal going here as well. So I'm going to copy a few things from another file that I was just working on. I think it was what did I call it? Particle API. Extension. What was it? Chrome extension. Let's get a. I think we just need manifest. I don't think we need background. We will need a pop-up, I think, later. Or maybe we can just do everything in content.js. You'll see what I'm thinking of. Let's copy that here. And now we have manifest.json. I'm actually going to move these into a Chrome extension folder because it's not a bad idea, because we're going to have other more interesting code. And move content to Chrome extension and move manifest into Chrome extension. This is mostly because we are going to also have another folder, server. Yeah, and a lot of cool stuff is going to go in there. So we're going to go touch server. We'll just call it app.js. We'll do it in Node. Okay, so Chrome extension, content.js looks good. Manifest, let me just rename a few things. We'll call this Canvas Executor. Cool. Scripting, active tabs. I don't think we need this. Host permissions, that sounds about right. I think we do need that. Can we do comments in JSON? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, we'll call it not background. Content scripts. We don't want to match everything. We just want to match. There's a way to do this. How do we do this? Something like this. And we just want to match the chats. So here we go. I think that should be what we need. So all the chats will be. So this content.js will run on all the chats. Scripting, active tabs. I'm gonna just keep them here for now and then remove them as we go. Actually, we can just use comment. That's how you comment in JSON, I guess. Okay. Let's see if this works first of all. I don't think we need anything else, so we'll just go ahead and load that. Let's see, where is it? Load unpacked. Want to go to Chrome or Canvas exec. Okay. Not yet. Cancel. We want to do the Chrome extension of Canvas exec. Okay. So okay, nice. We already have errors. It doesn't like that. All right, fine. Let's reload. Okay, so now, basically what it does, if you want to look at the code real quick before we reload the page and it'll start working, what we do is we wait for network idle. This is basically, I wrote this a long time ago, but I've just been copying it from extension to extension. You basically, why is this not used? That should probably be used, but whatever. Basically, you start. You get the time, then you check when the last like network activity was. So this kind of overrides fetch and XML HTTP request prototype open. And then if there isn't a request, it'll just update the last timestamp. And then every like half second or so, we check how long it's been since the last, and if it's been 500 seconds since the last, or 500 milliseconds since the last network event, we'll finish the promise. If not, we'll time out and we'll restart. Not super important to what we're doing here. Delay is just delay, whatever. I don't actually think we're using this, are we? No. Okay, so what we do, we set interval and we do check add button. So we do this every 500 milliseconds, just so that, there's probably a better way to do this, honestly, but I just kind of wrote this up pretty quickly. So check add button, this one just gets, where is it? This gets like this block, and then if the row hasn't already been added, we're gonna take this show changes button. We're basically gonna clone it, but then we're gonna set the SVG to just a play button, just like a triangle, like you might see in an IDE. We set on click to run code, and this doesn't do too much. Set the ID so we can check for it here, row.prepend, and then we stop checking every 500 seconds. Now, what does this do? This is pretty simple. It just gets the language which is available here. So this might be like Python, Java, Bash, etc. And we get the code, which can be done just by doing this. And we will then send this to backend, which I haven't done yet. But we're gonna set that up pretty soon, right now. Let's just see if this works though. So if this works, it should log to console the code and the name of the language we're using. I'm gonna have this, I don't like this layout. Oh, this is, let's put this right here. There's a lot going on here, I know, but let's just pull up console. Okay, so if we reload and we open here, so as you can see, within half a second we have this run button, which should probably have, oh, that's interesting. Okay, well, this should say like run code, but I didn't notice that earlier, but it does look kind of like the other ones. So if we hit run, as you can see, we have running all this. So we have the code that's in here in Python. So it detected Python. It's nothing crazy. It's just a document query call. So let's actually set up the backend server. I think I also had this in GPT somewhere, so let me just find that real quick. WebSocket maybe. Yeah, this looks about right. Let's just copy that. Copy the whole thing. So here's what, I don't even know what's going on here. There's a lot. I just copied this from there. So let's see what happens. So WebSocket is running on localhost 8080. Yeah, so looks like it's going to set up a WebSocket, and then that WebSocket is going to connect, or we should connect right here to the WebSocket running here. Let's see. So I asked for it to support Bash, Python, JavaScript, Java, C, and C++. Let's see, where does it actually do anything? Okay, server.onConnection, client connected, message.on async message. So we have code, language, custom folder. Custom folder, I'll get to that in a bit. Well, I guess it's already implemented here. It's implemented on the back end. We can't pass it on the front end yet. But basically, if you want to have this code, or where is it? Where'd it go? Okay, we need another one. How do you, am I dumb? Hold on. There we go. So if you want this code right here to run, maybe there's like, access your files. If you wanted to access your files, you can maybe take this run command and then provide a directory to run this in, and then it could actually use your files. This won't actually like send your information to OpenAI. It'll send this to your computer, run it, and then send it back to this website, or send it back to like this browser. I don't think it'll actually get to the server. So it'll all stay on your machine if you're worried. Now, let's see. So on message async, we have code and language. I think this matches up. Let's call it language, just to be language. So I think that matches up what we have here. So we have request. If not code or language, we need both of these. I'll make a temporary directory just by doing this. I guess that sounds right. So if custom folder, we're gonna ignore this for now. We're just gonna do this. mkd temp sync. Is this real? I've never seen this before. mkd temp sync. mkd temp sync. Oh, I guess it is real. Okay, that's cool. So we're gonna make a new directory. We're gonna make a new file name. So this one depends on, I see. Okay, this one should go into language handlers, but we'll get to that later. So Python, we're gonna have script.py. That sounds like a fine name. I think we need more logs here. I'd like more logs. So, and we're gonna make a custom folder. Oh, okay, no, we're already doing that. Okay. If there's no file name for some reason, oh, okay, so this is how we check if the language is supported. So if there's not, we clean up the directory. Then we copy the code into the file. So we don't actually do eval here, or I guess it's eval in Python and in JS, huh? So we don't do any of that. We actually make a new file and run it. I don't know if that's safer or less safe. Yeah, just be careful with running this code. And that's why we're doing it in a temporary folder by default, so you don't mess anything up. Definitely be careful with bash scripts. So then we have a handler which just has like methods for running it, and installing the compiler or interpreter if you need it, and for checking if the compiler or interpreter is available. So something like G++ version, I believe. If not, no handler found. Start time is equal to the process. Okay, I don't know why we have a timer. Oh, I asked it for a timer just for the hell of it. Okay. So, and then we do handler.execute, which I believe, here we go. So yeah, we check if the tool is installed. I feel like this could, I feel like some of this could be simplified, but oh well. Let's see, so execute async. So for Python, for example, we'll just do Python. Ensure tool is installed. So I think this just does like Python version or Python 3 version, whatever. We also have a few checks for Windows or Mac or Linux. I think I just asked it to do it. And then if that's good, we send in the command. We have the file name. Why is it an array? Oh well. We have run command, which, yeah, so this will make a new promise, and then we open up a new process, we run the command, and we kind of just update the socket as it goes. On close, so there's an await in here somewhere. Socket.send. I don't, it doesn't look like this will actually close, huh? Okay, well, this will print out a bunch of stuff, right? And it'll get the timing, and it'll send it to the socket, but it doesn't actually look like it will close the socket. How are we gonna handle that? Should we handle that? Yeah, I think we should. Well, let's just see what happens. So, what do we do? Let's just run it without anything else. How did we connect in the other one? So I had some other code where we had, let's see, copy .. particle API, Chrome extension, background. So in another extension I was working on, we had it we had the background.js, so the service worker connect to the backend, like so. Perfect. I'm just gonna snag this code. Let's see. We can just do that, or even better, do this. Let's see. Do we want 3001 or do we want something else? What do we choose? 8080? I don't like that. Let's do like, what is it? Like 4001? Isn't that what React usually uses? Something like that. So we'll do 401. Ideally, this would go into a separate file accessible by both Chrome extension and server, but I don't care right now. So in content.js, we're gonna want something like this. Let's see. Just open up. Boom. No. Yeah, just copy that in. So we have server URL on 4001 localhost. So we're going to use this like so. Nice. I don't even use this. Okay, so I guess we'll const socket is equal to new WebSocket. I wonder if I have to import anything or if it'll just work. We'll just do, what do we call it? A server URL. Okay. And then, okay. So we're kind of doing this in the opposite way, because in this here app, a lot of the work is being done by background.js, but in this case, we're just going to send things from content.js to the backend, and the backend is going to do most of the work. So I think we just need add event listener for open and for message. So let me just, should we get all of them? Yeah, let's just get all of them. Why not? So D9D maybe? D8D? D9D, okay. So we'll just throw these in there just for fun. Socket.event, add event listener, add event listener, close. When it's closed, it's closed. We don't really need to keep it around, do we? And then the most important one, yeah, this is definitely the most important one right here. Okay, so open, well, this is important to get it running. On open, we say it's open, and we'll just send JSON.stringify request. That's all. Cool. And then we have to actually get the input back out. We're just going to log it to the server, nothing crazy. Okay, this actually does a lot of stuff. I'm just going to copy. Whoa. I'm going to copy this in for now, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, it's like 100 lines. On message. When we have an error, do we also just send on message, or do we do something else? Let's see, send on data, on boom, on, wait, process.onClose. I think we should also do this, socket.close. Actually, no, we should do it no matter what, even if we don't resolve or reject, whatever. Is that right? Can we just do that? Socket.onClose. So if you look up what is socket, socket is where the hell does socket come from? Server.on, WebSocket server. Oh, I see. Can we just close sockets node? Disconnect, close, degram webs. No, is it? I don't know. This seems right. Close code. Oh. Okay. We can do that. Why not? Socket.close. Yeah, we can send the code in. Why not? Why not? I think this should be fine, right? Yeah, because once the command is done, we don't really need the we don't really need anything else. How crazy would it be if they wrote code that changed itself and then they expected it to upload the changes to this code? Never mind. Okay, so content.js socket.add event listener. What is this? Message. So just regular whenever we have a message. Okay. So ideally, this should actually do something like in the UI, and then this should definitely do something in the UI when we get a message. Probably we'll have like a virtual terminal, which will literally just be text that just keeps getting appended to itself. But for now, we'll just console.log it. How do we do it here? We'll just do this. Type parse data. We don't even need to like. So we do a lot. We do a lot here, but we don't need to do any of that here. We just need to get it visible. Event. Why event? Okay. Let's call it event.data. Right? Is that right? Who knows? Okay. So we don't need background.js. I think we grabbed everything we needed. Let's see. Set an interval socket. Oh, do we need this? Oh, okay. So what this does is it tries to connect to the socket every 10 seconds because of reasons. I think this is enough. And if we do connect WebSocket, but then it's still not ready. Okay, I don't know. I think it just retries every 10 seconds. Okay, I think, yeah, let's just get rid of this. See ya. Okay, this could work. This could just work if we're now letting it pretty much run arbitrary code on our machine. So let's just let's at least just save it. Or actually, we don't know if it works. I don't know if it's worth saving. Whatever. Git add dot git commit. Send it. Okay, let's see what happens. Run code. Okay, so I think this looks good. This will do UI. You know, they all should do UI because this should be like in red, I think. Or this is like whatever. Let's see. What's going on here? Don't need that. Okay. Let's so first thing you need to do is actually run node.app server app.js. So this is a fairly innocuous code, the primes generator, but let's see what else there is. Can I find module WS? Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. Why not? WebSockets equals to require WebSocket. Okay, that's not the real issue, is it? Something else. Why would you not be able to find that? Do I need to do this? No. Okay, well, you know what to do. Wait, what? Wait. No way. Wait, is this not built in? Wait, how was I doing this? Wait, what? I was definitely doing this without... Wait, copy this back then. How was I doing this here? Because I was using WebSockets without new WebSocket. Okay, what if I just get rid of this? You know what a WebSocket is. You don't need to import anything. CD server node app. Why are you doing that? You don't need to do that, I don't think. Oh, what we do? WebSocket.server is not a constructor. Okay. I just don't want to use dependencies, but I think we have to. WebSocket without npm. There we go. Implement WebSocket. Implement all that. I could have sworn. I could have sworn it was available. Like okay. Oh, okay. So it's like it's a thing. It's definitely a mainstream. 0 dependencies. 20,000 dependents, that's good. Oh. I don't know, that's kind of big. What's the... All right, fine. Fine, I'll install it. Wait. I guess it's just available on Chrome extension, so you don't need to do that. I guess that makes sense. Of course, WebSockets would be available in Chrome runtime. Of course, we do need to add a .getIgnore, otherwise it's going to go crazy. Node modules. And you know what? I just noticed. There we go. In case. I think it comes because of VI, so... okay, if we get it to work, I'll commit. Actually, we can always do that. Package lock looks good. Background package lock looks good. All right. All right. Okay, this might work unless we got to install more stuff. Fine. Here's WebSocket. You can have it. Happy now? CD server node app. Great. Probably just need to move this then. Get install command is all the way down here, but it should be below. Let's move this down. Let's move this down then. So this is what, like 70 lines of code? Did I just nail that? Holy shit. My math is crazy. Run command, get file name. Let's put it all the way down here. Okay, now go. Okay, we got a WebSocket running on WS localhost 4001. That doesn't mean anything though. This is, if we can actually get it to run some code, that'd be crazy. Let's see what happens. I will keep the inspect open so we can actually see, because everything's just going to be logged to console. So I think everything is in. Oh, we got to reload it. We got to reload it. Okay, no errors so far. Let's reload this page. What the hell? No, the other one. This one. Okay, so far no errors, so that looks good. No errors. All right, let's see what happens. That was quick. Content.js 51. Let's see. Okay, so that's an easy fix. They got me. They got me. All right, reload. And we're gonna iterate on this guy. And I don't like this. I don't like that. Get rid of it. Hit play. Whoa. Wow. That was unexpectedly clean. Holy shit. Wait. I don't think it like streamed it though. Oh, probably because we printed everything at the end. But if we printed like as we went, I think that'd be even cooler. That's crazy though, isn't it? Like, just run this, bam, done. Now actually to display it might be a little tricky. I'm thinking, so this is what it usually looks like, right? Not a lot of space left. I guess we could mock like a terminal right here, or maybe have like a little side window that opens. We could even just do alerts for now, or we could move this guy. We can move this up a little bit and have like a terminal thing going here. But this is wow. I fully expected that to just break. So let me just save that. Oh, okay. Well, it did. In some ways, it just was mostly fine. What happened here? Why did it do that? Okay, I know that in the other one, what did we do? There was some weird stuff going on in the other. What the hell? Whoa. Well, I don't know why I'm surprised. It's just doing what I told it to do. But let me just. Okay, I didn't realize it would run in the same directory. That's let me just ignore those files. So we'll do. I think this should work. Yeah. Yeah, that worked. Okay. That's crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. And that's like so fast too. It's like done. I mean, not that the code is slow or anything, but like, I don't know. Okay, what was I worried about? Oh yeah, why did it crash? Why did it crash? App 118. Why are you unhappy? Okay, socket.close code must be a valid error code number, but it was let me guess. We don't need to provide it. Code optional, close code indicating a reason for closure. Oh, I'm guessing that these codes are very different from these codes. So I think that's all we need to do. So what actually happened? We sent the data. we actually closed the socket. We basically did this by crashing the code. So whatever. Socket.close. I think this should stay running, and it'll close the socket. It'll be all set, and then we can send it back another command. So let's see what happens. Why is there a massive? All right, whatever. Let me see. Status. Oh, right. I want to check something else. vi.sh Particle API, and we have web utils, I believe. Oh, utils, web utils. So there's a lot going on here. Create WebSocket frame. Why did I need this? Why did I need all of this? When it's so easy to just do this. Was that? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. What is going on here? Create WebSocket frame. Okay, why do I need that? Why do I need that here but not here? Particle API. app.js, was it create? That must be a send command. Here we go. What the hell is going on? Oh, is this why we didn't need WS? Package.json. Oh yeah, we don't have JS. I mean, we got other stuff, but we don't have JS, thank God. So we implemented this whole thing without using WebSockets. Let me just make sure okay. This isn't related to the project at all, but I just want to see what is going on here. So if we search for WebSockets, there's no mention of WebSockets here. Like we use them. Oh God. But we don't parse WebSocket frame, send command. So we have command, JSON string file, create WebSocket frame. Then we take the message, we send it to socket.write. So what the hell is a socket then? Where does that come from? Sockets.for-each, sockets come from sockets.push socket. Socket comes from server. Server is an HTTP server. Oh, okay. So yeah, for some reason I decided to go ahead and just implement WS by myself to save a grand total of 147 kilobytes. And I didn't implement this, obviously. This is all from ChatGPT. Okay, well, that's interesting to know, but you know, you don't need WebSocket npm to use WebSockets, but it makes it a hell of a lot easier, doesn't it? Canvas exec, of course. Okay. What the hell? What was that? Okay. So if you go into server, we run node app.js. Wait, why did it? Oh, it didn't delete the temporary folder because it crashed. That's why. Okay, so let me just try that again, see what happens. We have the console, we have the run button. Let's see what happens. Console. Boom. Nice. Crash? No crash. No logs either. I don't like that. And it looks like if it ran, it looks like it deleted the other folder. It'd probably be a good idea to cache these. Let me see. To cache these, we would basically, we could use like a hash of the script, like we could use a hash of the language plus the code, save it into like temp/hash, and then if it exists, it has to be a match, and we'll just, well, we'd also have to save the output too. But we wouldn't have to copy the code into the directory again. I don't know, whatever. Let's see 500. Like, will this work? Crazy. Oh my God, it worked. Holy shit. That is crazy. That is crazy. It just works. I want to try something else. If is prime none. Let's just print it out as we go. So print none. We don't need to print here. Run it. Yeah, like why not? It's okay. I couldn't really tell if there was a difference. So let's do something like this. Sleep, I believe. I'm not a Python expert, but of course, like I said, sleep in Python. I just want to make sure that stuff and like import time. We just do time.sleep, and there's no IDE. There's no IDE. It's just, that's crazy. Did it not save? Try again. Import time. Is time not installed? Yo, check this out. It's fucking sick. So I know Cursor pretty much does this, but let's see.
Oh no,
Okay, I'm not waiting. Okay, so if you do pi time.sleep, oh, that's 100 seconds. Let's do 1 second, that's fine. If you do run, what's going on? The hell? It really doesn't like the sleep call, huh? Alright, ready? So you see this? You got the this thing going, right? Check this out. Boom, it runs.
what is this?
This is ChatGPT with Canvas. Yeah.
I've seen it before.
Yeah. This is new. This is my thing.
It's a Chrome extension.
It's a Chrome extension, and it runs it. I'm trying to get it to like display like a little terminal here.
Nice, man. Very good.
Yeah, crazy, huh?
Good job, dude. You can try using this on Claude as well.
Yeah?
Claude learns good for you, I
Mm,
think. There's no Claude architects in.
interesting. Okay. I want to know why it's not working here. Maybe it doesn't like time.sleep. Okay, let me just save this. What the hell? It is not cleaning up these folders, huh? Okay. Git add dot git status git status git add dot git commit works at least in Python. Okay, now let's figure out why it wasn't working. I need more output. Or is it process spawn? Okay. Process the on data toString. Socket dot send. Oh no, console.log data. And the same thing here. Wait. cd out process. We have out. We have error. What the hell's going on? Okay, let's see what happens. Node server app. Okay, so if you run this with the sleep calls, let's see what happens. Okay, I feel like process.stdout is not working at all. I think it's it's like it's not live, or at least it's like it's not. This isn't like getting to std out for some reason. Or maybe it's like being batched somewhere. Let's see what's going on here. So, looking for, also close your tabs. That's good. Good idea. Node spawn std out. Here we go. Oh. Is it IO?
Is it a Chrome extension?
It's a Chrome extension.
Or do you do code execution?
It just runs on like the local machine. So it talks to, you have to install something else, but yeah, so it's not like super obvious how to like use it, but it like opens up a temporary folder, copies the code, runs it, and then like sends it back.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
So that's a nice idea.
Yeah. It's not like supposed to replace cursor or anything. It's just like, it's like this canvas code, it just like lets you verify that it's actually doing something. Because sometimes it's like, it just doesn't work. And like you have to copy it somewhere and run it to actually check. Yeah, thanks man. I'm gonna try to get this one more public. It's like super easy. I already have most of it working. Stop what it's doing with. No, definitely not. Let's see. It's much easier now. Spawn. Do we need this? std out, std air. std out on data, function data. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, but it's not like doing anything. I mean, I assume it's just gonna print everything out at the end, right? Okay. std out, data, std air. Do we need this? Is this important? This is exactly what we do, right? cmd, args, std out, std air. Maybe, yeah, because it's not even printing out anything here, which is telling me that either for some reason this didn't save, or maybe this has something to do with Python. Maybe we need like a pipe or something. You can use child.spawn with shell option equal true. Is this guy a genius or something? Let's see what this does. Shell. Response to shell and runs command passing when complete. Is that what we're doing? Spawn. Current working directory, defaults. Yeah, this looks right, but I don't think it's shell is equal to true. This might work. Let's see. Is there a way to like live stream it? Yeah, I don't need this. I need current working directory, environment, encoding, shell, signal, timeout, max buffer. Oh. Okay, kill signal, UID. I feel like we have to do this somehow differently because I assume that this is a, wait, STD out, here we go. Readable stream that represents, wait. If child was spawned with stdio1 set to anything other than piped, then this will be null. What? What is this? Readable base. Oh. Okay. Why is this not running? Child processes STD. It's not a readable stream though. It's not doing anything. Let me try this. Got data. Let me see how many times this appears when we run it with like a shit ton of commands. So let's restart this. Sorry. Close, I'm sorry, but whatever. Okay, got data, I got data. Okay, so now let's do like 5,000 no sleep, see what happens. Or let's keep it generous, 5,000. Okay, there it is. Okay, so what the hell? I'm guessing. So 8192. Oh, okay. So it does this every 8192 bytes. So if we're sleeping every second, this would take quite a while. But I'm also not seeing this log, so I'm a little suspect. It's not SCD error, is it? Let's throw that in there as well. Got data. I think we do need the UTF encoding though. Let me see. Process, spawn, because it's set here, right? Oh, it's not. Wait, how is this being parsed correctly then? What? Is this STD error? Okay, let's try this again. All right, no sleep. Let's see what we got. If it prints out every 8192, okay, wait. There's gotta be something here in like 8192, no? Damn it. Chunk size, maybe buffer. Buffer. Wait a minute. Max buffer. Largest number of bytes allowed. If this value is exceeded, then the child process is terminated. Okay, not quite. Max buffer. Buffer, max buffer, pipe buffer. Oh, here we go. STDIO ignore. If the output will not be consumed. No, it definitely will be consumed. STDIO buffer. Okay, well. Was it UTF-8? You know, we don't even need the encoding. We really don't. We just need to see. We need this. We need this to print out. That data error. Okay. All right. So let's try this again. If we run this 5,000 primes. Okay. Okay, for some reason, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it does like stream it. So, received message from server. That's kind of weird. Okay, so it definitely got a few different messages from the server. It actually split one of these primes into two numbers, or into two messages. I guess we would just append them, right? Oh wait, no. Wait. Let's do this. Oh, actually no, this works exactly how I need it to, right? No, this is perfect. This is actually perfect. I guess it just didn't save earlier. Yeah, receive message from server, receive message from server. That's weird. Poor guy just got cut off. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we actually need quite a few numbers before we do this. So time.sleep1 will take, you're not gonna get any messages for a long time. Can we do 0.01? Speed up 100 times and see what happens, but it'll still kind of stream it in chunks of, well, it'll be in chunks of 800, so it's not going to be that satisfying. It's not going to be like pop, 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 pop. It'll be more like pop, pop, pop. But let's see what happens. It might be a noticeable difference if we do this. Actually, I didn't even need to reload that, did I? Okay, so in about, we're gonna have about 100 primes per second, and I think it was printing out probably more than that. Oh, there's our first batch. Hell yeah. Okay, so this does what I needed to do. What the hell? There's some weirdness going on with WebSockets, I can tell, but oh well. I think it just, oh no, I don't think this has to do with WebSockets. I think this has to do with child process, but oh well. Cool. I mean, we can run this though. Just don't do time.sleep. Do not do time.sleep with this code. What the hell? Oh, oops. That's silly of me. Okay. Great. Let's actually get this to the Chrome extension, because I think we have, I'm gonna get back to the other languages later, and I think data.toString. Wait, do we need to do this? Because I feel like this might be inefficient. Content app, yeah, content. JSON received message from server event.data. Well, it works. So, I don't know. How do we want to do this? Okay. So it works. The point is, we should probably have some kind of what the hell? What is all this? We don't need this. Get out of here. RM, RF, server, temp, everything. Cool. Okay, git. No, we don't need this. We don't need extra console logs. Cool. So Python works. We'll get to the other functions in a second. The next thing I want to implement is actually showing what's going on here. I don't expect people to go into go into console. Oh shit, actually, I have to do something. Be right back. Never mind. We are cheeky peeky. We are all set. Not even a problem. Never mind. I thought we were out of salt. We have plenty. We have plenty. We are salt rich. Alright. I should about do it. I want it too salty though. Okay. These two bad boys. I thought I'll get the fucking fridge. Okay. That closes. Cool. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, displaying the actual output of this thing. So, I think you know who I'm going to ask to help me out with this. Let me see. So we're going to be on a page that's going to look something like this. And we're going to want it specifically right here. So whatever this div is right here, we're going to want to add a sibling to it. I actually want full screen, I think. Yes. Okay. Let me see how to do this. So I think we're going to be looking for this one might work. So if we have this guy, we also have what about this guy or this guy even? Honestly, either, you know what, I'll tell you what, let's find wherever this guy is, because this guy's position depends on the height of this guy. So let's see, boom, 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 boom. That's a lot of divs for a button, in my opinion. See, like, it looks like you should be able to just run the code based on that icon, but you can't. You cannot. Okay, so I think we're looking for this class. Let me just close that real quick. If we go up, wait. Let me close some of this. We go up, and that matches this guy, I think. This guy? Yeah. Wait, no. Yes, okay. Okay. So div class is equal to relative z o flex h full max full width. Max whatever. And this guy is 20 from the bottom and 20 from the right. So I think React scroll to bottom. Oh god, what does this do? What am I looking for? What was it called? Like code mirror or something? It should be in here somewhere. Code mirror. What do we use again? Let me see. I gotta say, this one is, so far, this whole project is a lot easier than the other one I have going. But yeah, it's somehow way more useful. Okay, screw it, we'll just do it. Where is the file I'm looking for? Oh, there it is.
What the hell? Yeah. It's giving thanks.
Okay.
Excuse me, man. That's way close to you. Don't use such things.
Okay.
Stop it. Stop it right there.
Okay. Max width 100, height 100. What? Okay. Okay. So there's header, there's this, and then what do you know? Let's add a footer. Why not? Okay, I think we can put it after this main class. So we have header, main, and then I guess footer. What does this button do? Whoa, that's new. Whoa. Never seen that before. What does this do? All right, so we're gonna find, what are we looking for? Let's try this. Document.query selector section main, bingo. If we just do document.query selector section, will that, okay, that also works. Okay, perfect, so we can just do document.query selector section, that'll get this guy. And then we do, I believe we have prepend child, or just prepend, I guess. Can we do inserts a, we don't want prepend, we want, let's see, add last child to JS node. Append child. Appends. Okay, so just append child. Honestly, this is mad useful. This is very useful. Because you have this, like the answer, and you have like all these like API documentations right here. This is crazy. Alright, so it's append child. Let's see. Okay.
I lose that much bullets.
Pen child.
Let's
try this. Let's try all this. Just copy it in. Can you not do Control C here? It's dumb. New child. Let's do, what is it? Document.query. What a fucking weirdo. So we have we're just gonna add a P with, this is the new child under this whole thing. Let's see what happens. Perfect. That's exactly what I need, I believe. And yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, this is gonna get interesting. Let's modify content to actually make this happen. But this is the start. This is everything I need. Okay, content.js. we can do this when we run code, because as soon as we get some kind of data, we're going to need to update the inner HTML of the of this thing. So we do run code, we have the request, and then we have a socket, and then this is the rest of, like, this whole part is just kind of asynchronous. In the meantime, we can also do this. Actually, yeah. Okay, so adding event listers is very quick, and then we add terminal. So how do we want this to look like? Let's go ahead and dive into this guy right here and just mess around a little bit with it. I believe there should be a footer HTML. Perfect. That actually makes a lot of sense. Does it have any specific?
I just set my pocket and
Okay. Let's do this. Oh, how did I type in Node? No, ChatGPT. Still streaming? We good? What the hell? Okay. Give me code to create, JS code to create a Actually, let me try this. Write Python code to get the first 10 primes and evaluate it. Because I want to match the style of, like, this, basically. Let's see. Okay, so this isn't a bad idea to have it just look like this. Actually, I think I want it to look more like this. This is better. I like that. And then we can also have red for error. Yeah, okay. Okay. Ignore that. Actually, let's make a new one. Actually, we'll keep this in mind just to see what we're looking at exactly. So let's take some of this text, for example, like this def. We're looking at some color, a bunch of stuff, like a lot of stuff. Where's the font? I don't see font anywhere in here. Ah, here we go. Oh, font. Font is inherit. Font is. Is it all the way down? Font is. Text primary. TV. Where the hell is it, bro? Ah. Okay. We'll snag stuff from this later. Let's try another one. Give me JS code to create a element that looks like a terminal. Yeah, it should be fixed with but scrollable. No JS. No CSS or HTML, just JS. Please, I need to see something. Okay, create element. This looks like a lot, but oh well. Document.append, we know where to append it. Add initial content, sample log message. Oh, you know what we could do? We could actually get the commands that are ran on device and output them to the server. Although that might be messy, I don't know. Okay, log add yada yada yada. Second. Terminal.append child new terminal text content log at new date. I want to give it an error and see if it can print it out in red. I think that'd be really cool. That'd be really cool. Okay, anyways. Terminal.append child line. We're gonna work on I mean, it's just div, right? The rest of it is the font family. The font family will handle everything else. Okay. Apply styles. Why do we need this? Why can't we just... Oh. Oh, okay. You got me. Fair enough. This is a little bit easier. Okay. Create element, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so... terminal element. And then we can do... No, we're not going to do that exactly, but we're going to do this. Terminal element... That's that. We should probably save the terminal element. No, but we do need to do this before we do this, so we can actually use it in the thing. Yeah. Okay. Objects that assign terminal style. We'll do position fixed, bottom 0. I don't think this is necessary. Width 100 is fine. Height 200 pixels is fine. Background color black. Color lime green. Font family. Let me just copy that in real quick. Font family. I just saw it. Here we go. UI monospace, etc., etc. Let me. Can I edit this? Thank you. Thank you very much. I think we want this, right? What's wrong? Font size. All these are very valid because it might not match what it looks like. Border tops 2 solid 333, so like some kind of gray color. Padding is 10px. Overflow wise, auto. Let's see what happens. Maybe this is exactly what I need. But we do also need to keep track of terminal element. In fact, I would say this shouldn't be a local variable because then we will just keep creating it. Actually, we need also something like this. Terminal element dot ID. Just make sure I'm not going crazy here. Okay, is equal to my terminal. How nice. And then I guess we just do this. If document dot query selector hashtag my terminal. If not, so if it doesn't exist, we'll add it. If it's already there, we don't need to add it. It should be handled by the terminal somehow. Just quick white space indentation fix there. Okay, font size. Does font size really matter right now, or should we font size inherit? Oh, that's useful. What is the font size? Font variation, font family, font size, inherit. Yeah, but what is it though? What is it? Word wrap, word break, word spacing. Oh, this is interesting. Line height 1.5. That's interesting. We consider that line height 1.5 pixels. Okay. I want to add some initial text just to see what it looks like, so might as well. Terminal element.text content. Let's just see what that does. I have no idea. And we probably don't want this to be an H. We probably want this to be a plain old div. So we're gonna have div text div. I don't know what it's gonna do. Let's see what happens. Cool. So Python prime generator. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna give us an error, but that's okay. If it doesn't, this would be really cool. Open this up and we run it. Okay. That's interesting. So it won't even open the terminal if the connection isn't running. Is that right? Yes. should we make the terminal first and then give the errors there? It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, right? Because it's like you're actually running the code. If you can't connect to the terminal, that's an error, so fix it. Or should we hide this error? Because it's just like an implementation detail. I don't know. For now, let's just get the normal code working. So node app. We do need to actually reload the thing, I realized. Canvas executor, reload. Let's see what happens. If we run it. Okay, it didn't make the thing because, why? Why did you refuse? Okay, this is ridiculous. Switch to 50. Oh, here I was thinking it was an IDE. No, it doesn't have Vim support. Okay, new child is not defined. The hell are you talking about? Oh, of course. Of course, terminal. Now reload it. Yeah, I know. Reload, canvas executor, reload. Yeah, this might work. Ooh! There it is. There it is. That's sick. That's fucking sick. Okay. It doesn't quite match like the vibes of this for some reason. Let's see what's going on. My terminal with whatever. I mean, I think I like the box is good. The box is really good. Background color black, color lime green. I mean, is the background color black here? Where is it? What am I looking at? What am I looking for? I think you can do this. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. This is sick. What is this color? OD. Yeah, we can copy that. Hashtag OD. Very subtle, but not quite black. Color definitely not lime green, but whatever. Where was I? Here, yes. What? Okay. Font family. Font family isn't being copied in for some reason. Why not? Is it too much for you? The hell? Oh, it doesn't have to be a div. It could be a footer. Makes sense. Put the border. Oh, here we go. We can really mess with it now. Width is not important apparently. Okay. Height is important. Background color, very important. Color. We're gonna have it sometimes red, sometimes black, but we'll have to that'll be done later. Font size, overflow Y, I don't know. Line height, I don't know. Border top. I'm gonna get rid of border top just to get that extra bit of space. Padding 10px. That's probably fine. Box sizing. I don't know what that does. Okay, let's get rid of actually, I know how we can test this out. This is a new child, new line. And then we'll get rid of border top. I don't like it. And we'll check calculated styles on the other guy to make it match a bit better. Let's see. Refresh the extension. Here we go. Oh, get rid of that color. It's god awful. Or it'll be white by default, so most of the console output will be white except for errors, which will be red, as is the norm. Okay, new line does not want to work. Why not? What's wrong with you? if I do that? Oh, you're funny, huh? Okay. I just wonder why font family isn't working. Does it need to be this? Let's try that. Reload. Run the code. Damn. Still not quite getting the, why is font family not being copied over? You know what? This probably comes from some class. We can just copy that to get the font family, right? Inspect element, span class, code class. Ooh. Okay, let's see what happens if we get rid of, what are we looking at here? Okay, this is the entire code. Okay, if we get rid of language, if we get rid of HLJS, does nothing, okay. If we get rid of white space pre, what happens? Oh. Oh. That's interesting. But it's not important for us. Dot language Python. Can I do this? Language Python. Color, text align, border radius, line height, hyphens, tab size, word spacing, background, word wrap, white space, normal padding, text assign. What other classes are you? Let me get let me try something. I'm just gonna get calculated styles. So let's get that. Let's get this right here. So it looks like we have a num in here. So let me do this. Document dot query selector all. Do dot span. Dot filter. Just make sure. Okay. Dot filter. Classic trick. Dot filter x dot inner text is equal to num. Okay. Okay, there's one. What is it? Dot get. You know what I mean. Window dot get computed. Okay, we just do get computed style. Where'd it go? 0. Okay. Get computed style. This is very much what we're going for. Oh, perfect. Okay. Well, no, I don't see any. Whoa. Oh my God. Alright, this is a lot to break down. Can I do this? Stringify, something like that. Yeah, perfect. Actually, no, that is not invented. Okay, fuck it. Let's just do it like this. Oh my God. WebKit. WebKit visibility, normal translate, 0s translate. My god, there's so much. Is this like every possible style? Stroke width. What is this? Shape, scroll. There's a lot. I could probably figure out the padding though pretty easily. Order. Okay, what am I even looking for? Font family. Right? Or font size. Here we go. Font size 14 pixels. Perfect. Okay, it's already 14 pixels. That does nothing. Font family. Why is this not working? Why would that not work? Font weight. Why is this not working? All right, whatever. Let me just give me the padding for this guy. Padding is 1 rem. The fuck is a rem? Is this okay? 1 rem it is. Whatever that means. Color white. That's default, isn't it? Background color. What am I missing here? I'm missing the font family. Why is there no font family? Did I miss something? I mean, the padding looks right, actually. What is it? Font family. Oh, what was it? Monospace? Okay, perfect, much better. Why is it not being copied in though? Object.assign terminal.style. Is it already assigned? Is that why? Fucking A. Okay, you know what? You're very funny, aren't you? Terminal element dot style dot font family is equal to this thing. Okay. All right. You happy? It's better work. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Canvas Executor. Reload the actual website. See what happens. Run. Damn it. Still doesn't quite get copied in. Why not? Why is it not copied in? Like it's there. One line height padding, 1 REM box sizing. Okay, let me consult with this guy. Font family isn't being set for some reason. Or the month? No, it's definitely available. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, we'll comment out a few things, but actually, you know what? I don't trust you anymore, Mr. Object.assign. To terminal element. This is faster than typing out the replace thing in VIM. Okay, let's try again. We don't need to reset this, but we do need to reset this guy. Reload. Run. Okay. Well, we're getting the font size right. Kinda. I think what did they say? Something about weight, right? Font weight, or was it? Oh, we lost it. Well, it was 400. I remember. Terminal element dot style dot font weight equal to 400. I don't think you can do numbers here. Let's try that again, because it looks a little thin. I don't like that. For the most part, though, I think it's good. Why is it so? It's like so skinny. What is going on? Well, it's like not the same font either. What is going on here? 14px, weight 100. Holy sh! What is going on here? I think it actually looked better. What? Oh, this probably messed everything up, didn't it? Okay. Oh, wait, why is it using Courier New? Why does this not override it? What the hell's going on? What the hell? Oh my god. What? Why is font family not being... Do I need to do this? Is that the secret? Let me reload like 5 times just to make sure. Why is this so difficult? Oh my god. Style, box sizing, what? So this clearly did something right, except not quite. Maybe I need this. I don't know. Run. What? Didn't even do anything. Are you even saving? You're not even saving, are you? There, now it's saved. Try that again. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on, dude? Look, I have all... Oh my god. Font... Why? Does this just like override everything? Can I not do this? What the hell's going on? What is going on, dude? Also 1 REM. And OD. Just to be clear. I didn't forget about those two. Okay, this will actually probably look pretty good, but I don't like... Whatever. Oh my god. What is going on? Why this font family the only one that doesn't get copied over? This is ridiculous. Unset. Why is it unset? What the hell? What is going on? Okay. You're correct, yes, of course. Explicitly set monospace fonts. So... Wait a minute. Is it because there's a space here? Is that it? I swear to God. I swear to God if that's it. Let's try it. It's it, isn't it? It's like it's something, it would be something like this that would mess me up. No, not quite. Or maybe My God, this is ridiculous. What the hell is going on? Terminal.style. Is there some like... What is going on? What if we got rid of this? Nope. How the hell? Does it just not let me set the hell? Why? Where are you computed from? Host HTML. Oh, so the default is okay, in computed I'm getting we can force it. How do you force it? I don't see. It doesn't seem to be being forced though. This is ridiculous. Oh, that's weird. Okay, see ya. How do we... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We just need to do this, don't we? Hold with me here. Terminal element dot... It told me how to do this earlier. Append child, something like this. We don't want a div though, but we do want something close to this. Const line is equal to create element code, and then something like that. 1 plus 1. I don't know. No, I don't know. Line one. This is a sample log message. Terminal.append line. You don't want text content. This does not work for shit. Yeah, that's it, right? That's all we need to do. Because that's how they do it. Where is it? That's how they do it here. It's just code. And then, or it's a span. Of course it's a span. Why would it not be a span? Number, keyword, print. Okay, so this just sets the this just sets the number. No, color. But we can do that a little bit differently. We don't have to do it exactly like this, but it does look like this does most of what I need. Code, class, language.python. What happens if we get rid of language.python? I'm curious. Does it still look good, or does it... Okay, so it's not... Okay, alright, I know what to do. This should work. Reload, and boom. And we run. Let me see the, yep. Console, of course, and let's see. Great, just what I was hoping for. Oh my god. What's the error? Of course. Of course. Alright. UI is tough. That's why I don't do UI. Oh my god, we got the font. We got the font working. Holy shit. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay, I think we probably don't need most of these now. Like, for example, if we just look at this, I'm pretty sure most of these aren't even being applied anywhere. For example, actually, let's think about these. Terminal.style.position is equal to fixed. What does that mean? What does fixed mean exactly in this economy? What if I do this? It's still there. What if I do? Oh, it's gonna go away. That's fine. Inspect. Okay. Fixed bottom left. I don't think this does anything, in my opinion. Width 100. I think this is default. Height 200. Height 200 is fine. Background color, that's fine. Terminal style, I do not like that color. It should be, it's gonna be white, isn't it? Or is it gonna be something else? It's gonna be like very subtly off white. FFF, nope, perfect. It is FFF, which I believe is default, but let me just make it, yeah, it's probably default, whatever. Font family, obviously this doesn't do anything as we saw. Font size probably doesn't do anything either. Overflow Y auto, border top, I don't like border top. Padding is fine, box sizing probably fine. Okay, I think these are good. Actually, let me just keep these. I'm gonna experiment with them. Okay, actually we can experiment with them right here. Inspect, shut the fuck up. Inspect, let's see. What am I doing? Okay, if we get rid of left 0, well, that's even better actually, because let me zoom in there real quick. You see, there's like a thing here. I don't know. It looks a little bit better. There's like an actual separation, so that's good. Bottom 0. Okay, I guess we do need that. I lied. All right, bottom 0 is the most important thing holding all this together, but that can be deleted. Width 100, I believe, does nothing. Nope, that does something too. Never mind. Height 200 pixels. Obviously, that's fine. Position fixed. What happens? All right, what does that do exactly? What does that exactly do? Oh, that's interesting. Wait. Is this some kind of Flexbox magic going on here? Also, obviously not this. Font weight doesn't do anything. Font size wait. I actually kind of like 14 pixels. How big is it usually? Stop, please. Pixel size. Font size 1 EM, but it is overwritten by font size inherit. What? Okay, how much is it actually then? It's not 1 REM. I guess it is 14 pixels, right? That looks like, this looks, I can't tell which one is bigger. I think we want to keep this one then. 14 pixels is fine. 1 REM padding is fine. Border top. We're gonna get rid of that. Box sizing, no idea. Height, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna experiment with height and position real quick. So these two are interesting. But let me just refresh that so we save what we have. Oops. Okay, so we have this. We have this. If we run it, doesn't do anything. Okay. So, let's see here. So position fixed. What does position fixed do again? I forget. Bottom 0 px. Obviously, we need that. Oh, I see. So if position is fixed, it basically completely ignores the layout of the other guys, and it just goes wherever it wants. But if we put it bottom 0, it goes there. Now, how is this influenced by height? If we do height like 300, okay, so height 300 is like it's what's the word? Respected, something like that. Okay, bottom 100. That's too much. Let's keep it 200 px. Now, if we get rid of position fixed, this does have the benefit of keeping this guy in like this area, and it just kind of has this like little log here. However, I don't think it respects what I set for height anymore, because if I do 300, oh, it does. Wait a minute, does that mean that, what the hell is going on? Because this doesn't have a fixed height, this is just 100, I believe. So, wait, I think I know what's going on. If we do fix, it's just gonna like, what the hell? That is not what no. We definitely want position fixed. The only problem is, I don't think we're gonna be able to, oh, we are gonna be able to access those lines. What the hell? And then without this guy, if we refresh it, so there's like about a gap like right here. Is there still gonna be a gap if we do, oh, there's a much bigger gap. Interesting. So it's almost like they knew I was going to put something here and they left me space for it. Interesting. Okay, let's bring that back. It's going to... console probably has an error because... yeah, F is not the font, whatever. If we go back to this guy. Inspect. Okay, position fixed, height 200 pixels. But so this is basically going over this element. That's what it's doing. So that's why, but I think that's good, right? Because then if we do that, it doesn't get affected. But if we do position, I guess default is relative, then it kind of like the height of this guy influences the height of this guy, or maybe it pushes it down or something. But basically, if you do, yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that it's like sinking into the freaking nothing. But I think the height is the height is still 200, so I think it's like just going below the page. I don't know if I can verify this because it looks like padding is all right, what if I do this height 300 pixels? That doesn't look like 300 pixels. Let me double it and see if it makes like a difference. See, if you do height 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, what is going on? But then it still goes down. So the same, if I reset it to 800 pixels, is it gonna go up? Is that what happens? Wait. Okay, so it's at line 69. If we make it go down, it goes down to line, make it go down a bit more. So, okay, so it's at line 27. If we reset the height, it's still at 27. So why does it go down? Well, this can't be 800 pixels, right? So it's like being pushed down somehow within the flex box. Do we need more flex box? Oh, yeah. Well, like I said, it's almost as if they knew I was going to put something here, so whatever. Fixed is fine. It works much better. Ah, there it is. There's 800 pixels. Yeah, 200 is probably fine. So 200 pixels. you know, I mean, this is going to be annoying if you need to copy something here, but we'll get to that in a bit. Cool. Very cool. Now we can actually do something crazy. Let me see. What else do we need to do? Okay. So we probably don't actually want this, but we are gonna need an append method. So we might want to save this. We want to have something like this. Let terminal elements, and we'll have append or const append code results is equal to. Let me see, append output. We'll have text. Should this be a global variable? No, I got a better idea. We'll pass in the terminal. And then we'll also do const terminal element is going to be, in fact, this guy. So const will look for the terminal element first, and then we'll create it if not. So terminal element is equal to document.query selector my terminal, and we'll do let, in case we need to reassign it. Yeah, we're gonna have to reassign it. So basically we're hoping that this whole thing happens after we actually create the element, which I guess to be safe we can move all of these all the socket stuff to be after this. So we get D15D, D20D, D23D. Yeah. So we'll do these after. So if not document query selector my terminal, then we'll do this. We'll do let terminal element is equal to etc. So after we have it set up, it'll just get it and it'll be fine. After that, we'll actually do stuff. Okay. So text content, we don't actually want this, but we do want to do something similar in here. So we'll do terminal, terminal, yeah, text, yeah, that should do it. And then we'll also have append error, error, same thing, very similar, except we want to color the line dot style dot what do we want to say? Color is equal to RGB, so we'll do FFOO, something like that. Let's just see what happens. Let's just play with it. Let me just make sure all these are good. Yeah, we're about to test this. Font size, I believe font weight doesn't do anything, right? Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Although let me zoom in really carefully. Let me just make sure every last pixel is counted for. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. We can get rid of it. 400, kaput. Or does it have to be 400 as a number? No. Background color is probably fine. Font size is fine. Overflow Y, let's test. Padding is fine. Border box, I don't know what this does. I have no idea what this does. Probably, I don't know. It's just a bunch of divs in a list. Position fixed, bottom 0, width, whatever, height, background color, font size, overflow, padding. Okay. This is how you build an IDE, folks, without even trying. Let's see. One REM. Okay, let's try. Yeah, let's try this. Let us try this. Actually, I like this red color here. Let's just snag it. Color is F, whatever that is. Somewhat red, mostly red, kind of red. We can definitely reuse this. We can do. Right? I mean, I think this is this wasteful to do for all of them? Yeah. Okay, we'll get that color in a second. So when we have this on open, we'll have the open, we'll have message on message. This is where we're gonna do append, output, terminal element, and we're gonna have text is gonna be data, event, just event, I believe. Receive message from or event.data, sorry. Event.data, and then we also have, oh, wait a minute, you know, I just thought of. Screw it, we'll see what happens. If we split in like the middle of an output, it'll look weird. Because it'll have like one div and then you'll have like the rest of the outputs. So how do we want to do this? Only make a new div if it's a new line. Then that makes a lot of divs. How do I want to do this? I don't know. Let's just see what happens. If there's no new line, then we can get the last div and we can just append that. So we'll have one really big div. Color is fine by default. And same thing here, we're gonna append output, except it's gonna be, wait a minute, this isn't gonna work because we're not sending an error here, we're sending a just a regular send. We need to check that it's a error and do it parse it accordingly, which is confusing if the string gives us error specifically, but I think we can do something like, where is it? Content touch. How do we want to do this? Oh, this is so dumb, but actually, you know what? We could probably do this. Color is equal to whatever. Color is equal to where is it? F22C3D. Like that. Yeah, cool. And we'll do the same thing here, except we'll do if event.data.starts, no, dot slice. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. Let's do 7. Slice 07 equal to error. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll do that color again. Hashtag F223CD. Wait, that's not right. 3D. Wait. C3D. There we go. C3D. Oh, it's getting cold. Come on. Yeah, I know this is dumb, but how else do we want to do this? Instead of JSON, we could send a JSON. We have to parse it. Alright, screw it. We'll do it. JSON.parse, JSON.stringify. Status, okay. just out, I guess. Text. Boom. Yeah. Status. And we'll do something very similar here. Just do status error because that's std error. And we got something wrong. What is it? Boom. Done. Same thing. Okay. And now we have to parse the JSON on the way back. So we'll do const status is equal to JSON dot parse event dot data. Actually no. Const obj is equal to boom, and we'll do if. Actually no. Screw it. We'll do this. Obj dot status is equal to error question mark. Otherwise. There. Yeah, I think that should do it. Let's see. Data. Oh, we want obj.text. This will slow it down somewhat, especially for larger inputs, but I think it should be fine. So we do need to reset the terminal, and we do need to. Is that the only change we've made? Oh, I guess we wrote it. Yeah, we just got it right the first time, I guess. Okay, so WebSocket is running on yada yada yada. Content, we need to reload. Let's see what happens. Boom. So there shouldn't be any log message this time. It should just very nice. Very nice. So it's all on one line, which is fine, I think. Or is it? So it prints out the primes all in. Oh, this should be new line. That is a problem. Why are you like this? Is it because I got rid of the box thing? Oh, wait, what? The hell's going on? Okay, so this is a code. Why is this not on a new line? Did the new lines get replaced or something? What is going on? Show me console. Ah. Oh. Well, that is. Oh God, that could be a problem. Because. I'm hesitant to do text.replace -n with the literal new line. Wait a minute. Why? Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, I see. I see. So it's the JSON stringify that's the problem. Do we have to do JSON stringify, or can we do something else? Can we prepend? Can we prepend this maybe? Like a secret message? Yeah, I mean, if every message starts with like O or E, I think that's fine. We just get rid of the O or E. I don't really see a problem with that. And then we get the new line back, right? And we can also avoid the JSON stringify. So let's do it like this. We'll do JSON.send O plus data.toString. So we'll switch that up. All right, so that should just be an O appending. Perfect. And then we'll do the same exact thing here. We'll have E appended. Okay. So now we'll do, we need to change it here. So instead of JSON.parse, we can do receive message from server event.data. We can do const status is equal to event.data 0. Is that right? Can we do that? I don't know what this is printing out actually, so maybe not. Let's just do status is equal to E, and then we can do that. Otherwise, we shall just do event.data. We just print it out directly, I believe. And let's see what that does. So we'll restart the server again. And we'll also do, oh, it's gonna print out the E or O, but I think I can live with that for now. So let's refresh this, reload. Open this up, run it. Okay, well, it's printing out correctly here, but it's not printing out correctly here. Why not? Why, what is it doing? What are you doing? So there's, what the hell? Okay, so there's a few chunks here. We have this chunk, we have this chunk, and we have this chunk. I think these two are coming right after each other, but they're on new lines. Also, why are these like text? Why are they not like on new lines? I guess that's good though, because if you have like a chunk with like multiple pieces, so let's try like 5,000. I believe in the console it was splitting them up, but what the hell? Ah, there's another thing to think about. We gotta clear the console, but let me just try something real quick. So we have 5,000, bam. There's no, I believe we have a break in one of them. Right there. So 4, the one before 41453. So 41453. 4145. 41453. Okay. So aside from the O, which we can just parse out, the new lines are doing what I need them to do. However, okay, I'm not going to change the styling of the code. Like it seems to be like being put together very well, as you can see here, aside from this. Okay, no, screw it, whatever. Event.data.slice O. Let me just show you what I'm talking about here. I can get rid of the E and the O. Boom. Run. Still there? Oh, right. So I think that specific number, yeah, so we don't have an O anymore. What was that, 41 something? 41 here. 414. Look at that. Perfectly intact, even though it came from two separate messages. However, it doesn't look like this, does it? It does not look like this. Now, why would it not look like this? What is going on here? So we have this guy, we have this guy, then we have the rest of this. This guy's very special. Now, why would it not work? Let's take a look at this. What? What? Wait, but we're not let me try something. I want to see where are the new lines going, because there should be new lines. They're here. They're in the console. Okay, so there are like new lines here. Okay, very funny, Mr. Battery. So somewhere between here and here, it's getting kind of mixed up. I think it must be when we go to here, text output. This must be the problem. I don't know how exactly it's doing it, but something's up. Something's up here. Because this is there's new lines here. If it was a space, it would have just printed out a space, but it's printing out all that. Also, why did you not print this out, please? Wait, is it all error? Is that what's going on? No, there was an O, so it has to be normal. Okay, here we go. Node. Please save, would ya? Try that again. Run. Okay, so there's new lines here. There's new lines. Where is it? Oh my god, bro. What is going on here? See, what's pissing me off is like it's not printing out like -n here. It's just like ignoring it completely. What is going on here? Does text content not like? All right, let me get a charger. Okay, new question. If I do element.text content, will new lines be ignored? Question mark. Wait. No, they won't. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, is this what I need? I mean, if it's that easy, I mean, everyone would do it, right? Let's see what this does. 3, 2, 1. Funny guy. Funny guy. Okay, do I need to do inner text? Is that it? Inner HTML. Oh, HTML. I see. Or okay, which white space equal to pre. White space is equal to pre, and with BR, I feel like this one is the most efficient, but what do I know? Div line dot style dot white space is, it's not a line per se, it's more of a chunk. Yeah, let's call it chunk. Yeah, I like that. Pray. Pray for me. Okay, reload. Here we go. So we need to combine that with.
Combine that with your mom.
Shut the fuck up.
What are you building, dude?
Same thing. I'm just making it cleaner.
Making it cleaner?
Yeah, you'll see. Let's see. Oh, we still need to do this.
Good man. dude.
Wait, we were doing that, weren't we? What the fuck?
Windows will do anything Windows
That's funny. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh, we got it working. We don't even need. Yes. Okay, cool. There was no alternative. We had to do it or get deported. Okay, why can't I grab this guy? Okay. Okay. This is very cool. The only problem is, why is it all colored like it's an error? Status is equal to E, status equal to event.data 0. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on here. Footer, color, RGB. Okay. Is it because... well, that would do it. Color. There we go. What a silly mistake. Okay. Oh, we gotta reload it. It's so much reloading to do. It should just happen automatically. So dumb. We got it. Let's go. Cool terminal. Very cool terminal. Thank you very much. Okay. I need a smoke break. All right. Well, all right. You want to see it?
No.
It's actually working.
I want to see it, bro. No, show me such a... I'm not gay, dude. I'm not fucking gay, dude.
Mamma mia. Oh my god. Of course. It gave me a hug too. Oh, because the server wasn't running. Amazing. I expect nothing less from a demo. Okay. Fuck it. Node. Server app. that is beauty. That is a thing of beauty right there. Oh my god, bro. Just... very nice. Reload it just to be safe. No console log this time. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright, whatever. Boring. Oh, this is huge. This is huge. Okay, what do I do with this?
Shut it up, yo. What? What the hell?
This definitely isn't going to work for Java. Java's too... I don't even have Java installed.
Dude, I don't even know if you don't use Java. Okay, I actually quite like Java.
Yeah?
It was cute, man, back in the day.
Alright.
Java in a minute.
Oh, this is a game changer, dude. This is a game changer. You don't even know.
These hoes don't even know. Oh, that's yeah, what you got?
Okay, now I'm watching the film.
Huh?
What'd you say? Alright, look at this. Same thing, but no console log. Just pure or fake terminal. Ready? We got canvas.
It runs it.
It runs it. It even.
Oh, it
prints-
didn't. It doesn't do it in a terminal. You said. Or
It's a terminal.
what was it before?
It was in console log, so you had to open up and inspect elements. But now it
Good
actually
man.
prints it.
Very nice.
Yeah, and then it even gives this.
Name is not defined.
Yeah, because I fucking posted a bunch of shit
Oh.
here. Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. It's huge. All right, let's see if it works with the what?
You should make a recursive set up two things. One is on one side you do AOC yourself.
Yeah.
On the other side, find a way to interface with. But that's computer use. You need to find a way to basically have the GPT run in the background multiple times, and that keeps talking to itself. It looks at the error, sends it back, tries to fix it, and it basically keeps trying to solve the problem. So let's see who solves it.
Wait,
first.
let's see if we can just copy paste it in.
Copy paste what in?
Like if we just paste in this error back to it,
wait, actually, you know
and
what?
then rerun it.
They don't have an API for this. Go and look up find agent APIs, which let you paste into a. All you need is you just need to paste in a text field. There's a text input box in.
I can do that in my extension pretty easily, actually.
Can you open? You can open a website using Beautiful Soup or whatever.
Yeah.
You can find. You can right now. You can look up where the input field is usually. That's fine. You can give it the sample input already. The issue is it can't run sample input on ChatGPT because the lines would be too many. I
Right.
think there's a limit on how many lines it can.
But it could run something like this right
It could
here.
run it in this though.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like those 4 lines.
So you just need
Let's see what
to
happens.
you just need to find a way to do it recursively where you
Yeah.
keep calling it. And then see who solves it first. You might just be number one on the leaderboard if you
Oh, I'm not gonna cheat though.
No, don't make a new account.
Make a new account.
It would be such an exciting it would be sick.
That would be crazy. Wow, yeah, I fixed the code just by pasting it in. I could do a second run button that just keeps doing it until it is good, until there's no errors.
The issue is you need a way to interface with ChatGPT, right?
Yeah, I mean you just type stuff in, you can.
No, but that's you doing it manually.
Yeah, but most people just go to this. They're not gonna have
so
some weird
actually
setup.
look at the error from this. Can you get errors from this?
Yeah, we can get errors.
And then append it to this.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
And be I'm getting this error.
Yeah.
Append it.
That's-
That's easy, dude.
That's
It's gonna happen, dude. It's fucking gonna happen.
Oh,
it's
fuck.
gonna happen today, dude. It's gonna fucking happen. Bullets, dude.
Yeah. That's a good idea. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. Get the second button going.
Good ideas. And you're getting pretty fucking good at
My mind is pregnant with ideas.
Sorry?
My mind is pregnant with ideas.
Yours? Mine? Yeah. But you're extremely good at fucking sitting and getting it done.
Yeah. That's half the effort.
That's good partnership, dude. That's hard.
Alright, I'm gonna take a break so I'm not too burnt out before Advent.
Buddy, you should do it, man. Try pasting yesterday's problem and see how much time it takes to solve it.
ChatGPT. Let me use the chat. All right, let's clear the console. Should be pretty easy. All we gotta do is. Oh, oops. All right. JS node delete all children. All you gotta do is what? I like that. That sounds great. Just gone. If my terminal is with terminal ID document. If document.query selector my terminal, of course this will really mess up if you run 2 commands at once, but document.query selector my terminal. Terminal is going to new terminal. But if it does exist, then we need to do it right here, I believe. So we'll do terminal elements. So at this point it is definitely defined, and we just do that. So I think if we just reload this, we should be able to clear the console every time we run it. So let me just try that. We run it. Boom, perfect, no errors. Run it again. Perfect, beautiful. We should scroll all the way down, that'd be good. Let's see, JS, auto, scroll to bottom of div. Fair enough. Fair enough. This is after though, so I think every time we get a message we want to do this. So all we got to do is that. Terminal elements is equal to terminal scroll height. Boom. Let's see what happens. Dude, like once we have now that we have most of this in place, it is just so easy to just modify this. Let's see here. Here. Okay. Oh wait, that already did it. Amazing. Amazing. All right, cool. Okay, cool. Let's see. We'll just add git status git add dot git commit small UI fixes for terminal. Git push. All right. Let's also do. I usually had a good idea. If we do, where is it? Here. I want to add a second number. I want to add a second number. Okay, let's do this. If not this guy, then we'll do this. But we're gonna have a second one. We'll call it, okay. All right, I'll just copy it for now. D, was it 15D? D20D? All right. We're gonna call this let's call it like run fix button. We'll call it run fix button. Okay. And what we're gonna do is do something absolutely crazy. Check clear interval, check add button. This should if how do we do this? Okay, let's invert this. So we'll do if this and the other one. Here. Then we clear the interval. And then we prepend. Oh, this is going to go exactly how I need it to. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that will clear the interval if. Yeah, this is exactly what I need. If okay. Here we go. Give me a new SVJ path that shows two overlaid arrows, right play buttons with an AI sparkle icon. What do we want to do? AI sparkle icon nearby. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So this is going to be for the my run fix button, and we're going to do not run code. We're going to do run fix code, and that is going to be defined somewhere else. Where const run fix code is equal to something, and we are going to utilize terminal. However, we're going to utilize this method rather, but we're going to do it in a loop. We'll not add it now, but basically we're going to, like you suggested, we're going to run code. we're gonna gather the errors. We're gonna concatenate the errors into a single coherent message. We're gonna send that into right here. And then, or I guess in some cases it's gonna be right there. Ask ChatGPT to edit, message ChatGPT. Okay, I see. So it's gonna be different. So we're gonna append that. It's gonna change the code. And then once it's done changing the code, so we might need to use this wait for network idle. See, comes in handy again. We then run code again, and if there's no errors, we're good. Let me see what this SVG looks like. First of all, this isn't going to do anything. That's fine. Okay, so extensions, reload, Python prime generator, reload. So now, what the? I don't like that. Give me a SVG editor. What the fuck is this doing? How do we do this? SVG editor. Here. Is this any good? Ooh. Launch up. Ooh. Where's the, where can I put in text? No? Alright, screw it. Free SVG. Open SVG. Shut up. Oh wait, from clipboard. Place from clipboard. Allow. Shut up. Where is it? Where can I input it? No? Alright, fair enough. Just give me one where I can edit stuff. Oh, here we go. No, not quite. SVG, fill red. Where's the, Canva? Dude, I don't know. This one? Fuck's sake. SVG viewer. Yes, this looks right. Okay, let me just paste that in. I know it's weird, but D is equal to... Okay, got it. I know what to do. D is equal to all this shit. Okay. And then plus this. Scared of that real quick. Boom. And then finally that. And let's just swap that in here. Boom. Close. Close. Okay, there it is. Okay, all right. So we just need to rescale it a little bit. Let me get rid of the rectangle and all that. I'm not a fan. Boom. Rectangle. Bye. Okay. Can you give me like? There we go. I mean, it's got the right idea. It's just not perfect. Don't even have time for this. Can I just like grab them and edit them? No. React. What the hell? PNG? No. Can I like edit these? Whoa. Where are you going? 1 second. Okay. What is going on here? Prettify? No. What the hell is going on here? Can we have a path editor, please? I'm not the best at this. Okay, let me see. All right, let me think about this. M3. Line 2112. Vertex M. Okay, I think I know what's going on here. M32. I think if we do M6 for close. Okay, this is really confusing. MV23Z. Dog, I don't know. 14L 1624V. It's got the right idea. Actually, I don't even mind this. It's not too bad. Move 28.8. I think So line 20, move 24C, line 24. I think 24 is too much. I think we need L21. No, it's not that one. It's a different one. Or is it? Okay, I see. So I think the... oh wait, we can just do this, can't we? There we go. So take this and put this in before the last move. So something like that. Fuck. Not quite. 21, 12. And this is probably 20? No, that's not it. This is X coordinates. So we probably need this higher to be 12. Okay, here we go. 24, 12, L, 16 to 24. Let's make that 22. That's kind of it, right? It's not bad. Although it kind of shows up very strangely here. Although if we just move this up a little bit, I think it'll actually look okay, and we'll get the little sparkle thing going. I don't know why it's... oh, because it's out of bounds. Okay. Shut up, man. Let's do, instead of M28, let's do M25. Oh god. 20. Yeah, we're gonna have to subtract all, like, 22, 24, 22, 22. Jesus, I don't know what's going on here. 24. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's like a rough idea of what I need. Let me just make sure I'm getting this right. So this M20 is this guy. Let me move it a bit higher. So let's do, instead of 8, let's do 6. Perfect, it's just what I wanted. Let's do 8. Gotta trust the process, here, hold on. 4, it's not confusing, 6, not 5 but 3, not 11 but 9, yeah. I think I like that a little bit better. Let me try this. We just did it, we did it. Okay, get rid of this. Just comment the line up, please. All right, let me just make sure. This is, this is important. You gotta get your branding right? I mean, looks so goofy. Not good enough. Whatever. For now, it's fine. Let me do SVG path editor. Do we have this? Is there a oh, this is what I was looking for. This is it. This is goated. This is freaking, there we go. Oh my god. You don't need, oh man. This is a thing of beauty. This is a thing of beauty. Look, you can just do this. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Okay. Now we're talking. I think we need this guy. Okay, convert to relative, I guess. Okay. Now we're talking. All right. Let me see here. 14y. Can we do? No. Let's do this triangle first. I don't like this. Let's move it over a little bit. Actually, let's move this guy in. Not quite. Convert to absolute. That looks more like a play button to me. Let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now let's carefully move this whole thing. Can we do like a curve? I don't like this line. I want to look at the freaking the thing. You know, the thing, the AI thing. Let's do this though first, real quick. What the hell? Why do we have this? Can we delete it? Can we do arc? Okay. Okay, it's got the right idea. We'll mess around with it a little bit. Elliptical arc. Convert to elliptical arc. Yes, yes, yes. One more line. Elliptical arc. Perfect. Okay, I think we just need to swap the radius is fine. The RY is fine. I think we need this to 1. Am I right? Nope. That's not it. Large arc. Nope. Sweeping. Yep. 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 Yeah. Close. I think we just need a smaller radius now. X. Well, this is fine. This is a move. This is a Z. How do we do this? How do we do this? Radius of X, radius of Y. If we do 0.5, what the hell? 0.5. 2. No, 2. 2. Did I need something else like elliptical arc? Wait, no, that's right. This looks good. We just need all of these. Ta-da! Ta-da! See, I know graphic design. Now all we got to do is, I believe, we just drag. No. Where's the first one? Move to 11. Let's move this to 10. And yeah, I kind of like that. Kinda. Actually, no, I like 11 better. Let's do 11 and a little bit higher so far. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of like that. Maybe scale it. Can we do this? Translate, rotate around. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, this thing is goated. I'll convert to absolute, and here we go. Now we got this beautiful, beautiful handcrafted path. There we go. They're not gonna see it come. They're not even gonna know. They're not even gonna know. Okay, I should eat. I should really eat right now. Look at that. Why is it so small? Okay, a little bit bigger, please. Why is it so small? We need to scale this up. So it's 4. Let's make it yeah. Yo, I'm a graphic designer now. Check it out. Well, you know how to iron?
I don't. I don't have a.
It's in it's above the laundry thing. We need a small radius, I think. No? We need a larger radius. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4.
BYOI.
Yeah? Oh, you have your own. Nice. That's crazy.
What if we have a fight with irons?
Who can burn each other? That'd be crazy. That would be dangerous.
It would be unsafe sometimes.
Yeah.
That sounds unlike us.
Yeah, we're safe people.
Actually, I put a condom last night when I.
Yeah, but you didn't do anything though. You just didn't have a condom.
I just have a condom.
Yeah, it's whatever.
I had Content actually.
Oh, okay. That's
But I was
crazy.
like, oh, fuck that.
Was it? All right, I'm gonna pause this so I can talk.
Wait, are you streaming